Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeoluwa, and in my previous video I talked about how to dry your hair after you've washed it. So I'm still in the process of drying my own hair. So I want to talk about the benefits of sunshine. A lot of us we take sunshine for granted. Not many people actually go through sunbathing. Now, sunbathing, it doesn't mean that you look for a public place and be there in the nude. No, you can put on your clothes normally, your nightwear or something, but and just get under the sun. So make sure you set your alarm to maybe 4 a.m. I don't know when the sun rises where you are at, or 5 a.m., so that you just drag your mat or your chair or your seat and just go to where the sun rays would hit first around where you live, and just sit there and just soak in the sun rays. I mean, when it's in the afternoon, getting to about 9 a.m. upward, that is when it becomes very, very hot, but that the first sun rays is very, very warm on the skin and it wakes you up. I just found that out this morning because I didn't want to stay in bed. I was tired. I didn't want to stay in bed and I was restless, staying in the sleeping place. And I just, said, what, I just managed to drag myself into the sun, and I just felt awake. I felt motivated. I felt, I just felt awake, like maybe how some people will feel when they take their first coffee in the morning. So instead of taking coffee in the morning, perhaps you might try taking sunshine in the morning. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything except maybe your early morning sleeping in, so you can always drag your mat, put it under the sun rays when it's just coming out in the morning, and lie down. Make sure several sides of your body gets it. So you face up to the sun rays. After some time you turn to your side, the right side. After some time you turn to the left side, and after some time you flip on your stomach. You will feel the heat of the sun, the warmth of the sun through your clothing, so you don't need to go in the nude. And when you feel like you've had enough, minimum of 15 minutes will do, and you can just close your eyes and just snooze right there, and you feel much better. You feel more awake, more motivated. And it also helps with hair growth, because we talk about hair as well. You just begin to notice that it gets itchy. That is your pores, your hair, your pores opening up. It has been clogged and is now opening up. So you just take your fingertips under and then massage, to further open it up, and it helps. In body health, it works against depression and all of that. It's very good for you, and you get your free dose of vitamin D. So these are some of the things you can do now that you are fully at home, and then make it a lifestyle. And if you are like me, you can, and you feel awake enough, you can, maybe when you have spent a few minutes under the early morning sun, you can decide to exercise. That's what I do. And I mean, when you exercise under the vitamin D warmth, you just begin to sweat, and this cleanses your skin as well as your system. You just do your different exercises. It can be just warm-ups that you do all through. By the time you spend you won't know when you spend 30 minutes and up to an hour underneath the sun, and you just feel like when you know when you have gotten enough, and then you just continue with your day in a better mood. It lifts up your mood, as it were. So there you have it. For more tips and sharing of such videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that when other videos come out, you'll see them. Take care of yourself, stay safe, stay natural, and shalom.